So let's create a new project and then we will do the implementation of the custom hook. So I already have my environment set up. If you don't have, make sure you have your environment is ready in your machine. I'm having MacBook, so it supports for Android and iOS, so that we can test it. So I hope you have iOS and Android. If you have Android, that will also works, no problem. But make sure you have environment set up. So let's create the new project, and we will also come across the latest changes with the latest version of the React Native. So we have the latest React Native version is 0.76.6. So we will see what have changed, and that is what will keep us updated. Let's do it quickly. I used to create the React Native project using React Native init. Let's the name of your projects, give it as interview prep. So as you can see on my screen, it is saying the init, it has deprecated. It is no longer supported. It is saying you must switch to the something one. It is saying your init has moved to the community CLI. So you must note it. It has changed with the new version of the React Native. So now let's copy it and create the project quickly. And let's give the name actually. Yeah, let's give the name interview prep. Yeah, so it's creating the default template. Let's talk about the default templates in the React Native. In Android folder, we see Kotlin is the default template right now. Similarly, in iOS folder, we have default template is based on Objective-C. So as we can see, it is asking me to create iOS folder as well. It gives us an option whether you want to continue with the Android only, like in Windows systems, we cannot run the Xcode. We cannot test your functionality on the simulators. So it is asking me, that's why it is giving me the option whether you want to continue with the Android or with the both with iOS. So that's why it is asking me to install the Cocoa pods. We will talk about the Cocoa pod. What is Cocoa pod? We will talk about all the dependency managers which are available in your JavaScript, in your Android, and also in your iOS in the upcoming videos. So let's first create this project as quickly. Yes, I want it. So it is installing your Ruby gems and Cocoa pods, creating the default template in your iOS folder. So it is almost done. It will finish. Yeah, generating pods, project, generating your X workspace, Xcode project. All is done. See, you have created your project.